Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your physical address in your Flodesk emails? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the physical address in your Flodesk emails anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing email marketing, you know that you're required to have a physical address in your emails, but maybe there's a typo, or maybe you want to use a different address. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your address in your emails, here on the top right, click on your profile icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called branding. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see company address. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add your company address. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update or change the address in your Flodesk emails, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.